Welcome to today's analysis and review of yesterday. Today is the 12th of May 2023. We're just going to have a quick run over the DAX and FTSE. So yesterday we opened over this area here, had a push up like I expected. Unfortunately on the DAX we didn't kind of get up to that high which I was hoping for, even though we did have two levels here. Still a good spot to get short from if you were trading manually. However, my pending orders were set up a little bit higher just to have a bit of extra buffer, because often you'll see the market move a little bit further than you expect. That came down to the close and beyond. Probably would have had a target around the close, but down the bottom, the breakout short would have also been a good target. Could have had a nice buy here on this level. It looks like that one might have got stopped out actually. Yeah, so that one came down. Could have had a nice S2 trade for what we're sort of at 65 points to 100 points now if you had have let it go. So not a bad potential trading day. Unfortunately the market took me in at this point and didn't reject in time. Probably realistically should have had a bigger stop. Anyway, that's trading. Did a bit better on the UK, which we'll cover shortly. In terms of the pre-market, pretty much looking for the same activity again, so potentially off these levels here, nice push up and then reject it back down to either the close or the breakout short. The distance of the levels are a little bit wider today, so we're going to need a little bit more volatility to take us into trades and hopefully get a few more points out of the market, which would be good. Obviously, if it doesn't move enough, we may not have trade set up, so we'll see what happens. Sells from around this level here, buys from around this level. I've been seeing the S2 really hold quite well lately, so take with that what you will. It's not something I usually do, but something I have observed lately. It's been working quite well. Over to the UK. So yesterday we had a strong push up, just like I expected. We've got the double top from the previous day, and we kind of tapped that. Bit of heat for a little while, and then we came back down, touched the close gap, and beyond we actually came right down to the S2, just like in the DAX. So 1% there, and then another bit over 1% there, I think, on the upswing from the S2. So got in at the S2, 30-point stop, I believe, and that held me in and took it back up to the close gap, which had already been filled, but it still remained a good target. Now for today, similar setup. We've got the triple bands top and bottom. Need a strong push up again. Probably looking for the breakout long level to be touched, but manual traders, you'd be looking for price action to take you in, and same thing, so up and then rejection, looking to target either the close or the other side, and vice versa. So if it comes right down, we could target the close potentially from the open, but it's not my favorite play. Probably looking to come right down here to close to where the S3 has been, touch this breakout short and then come back up to maybe the close as a fairly safe sort of a target. As I said, the S2 has been getting hit quite a bit and reacting, so there's always that consideration. The levels are a little bit more spread out than yesterday, as with the DAX. So we're looking for a little bit more volatility. We do have the UK GDP announcement coming up shortly as well. So just be aware of the news announcement there, the high impact that might have on the market. It can always cause higher volatility, slippage, unexpected market conditions. So just be aware of that when you're trading. Anyway, guys, enjoy your day and good luck.